All right, so first example here of something where you just get an equation and it says, hey, what's happening? We can't do this without the graph. All right, so we're going to go to our calculator and I'm going to go to y equals and I'm going to type that equation in. So I'm going to have x and then caret to get the 4, and then plus 4x caret to get the 3, and then minus x, I can use the squared button, minus 16x minus 12. All right, so there's my graph. Whoops. There's my equation, sorry. So I can hit the graph button and I can look at the graph. All right, now maybe I want to zoom out so I can see the whole thing. So yeah, I zoom out and I just hit enter. All right, that's probably too much. I'm going to put it back. So I'm going to zoom standard, which is 6. All right, so there's my graph. Now we'll go down through here. We'll answer some of these questions. I'm going to have a few different videos with them, but let's look and see what we can figure out. So actually, it says draw a sketch. So if I'm on the computer, I'm not going to draw a sketch. I'm going to bring this over here. I'm going to drag it and drop it. Then I can click on it and I can move it. So there's my sketch. Probably I want to make sure I can see that minimum. So I'm going to zoom out a little bit. Let's see. Let's change my, I'm going to change the window so that my Y minimum is maybe -20. Let's see what that does. Does that give me the whole picture? Not quite. So let's change my window again. Let's change it to -30. Just trying to make it not quite so zoomed out. It's going to smush it, but there we go. All right, so I'm going to bring this one and drop this one over here. I'm going to delete that one. Come on, drag over here. And I'm going to make it bigger. Okay, so there's my graph. So x-intercepts, there is 1, 2, 3, 4 x-intercepts. They all look like whole numbered points, but let's go and make sure they actually are in the table. So I want to look for where y is 0. So there's 1 for sure. There's 2, there's 3, there's 4. So all 4 of them are right there. So I can tell right in here that they're whole numbers. So -3, 0, -2, 0, -1, 0, and 2, 0. So -3, 0, -2, 0, -1, 0, and 2, 0. So those aren't too bad to find. All right. Y-intercept is right in this area right here. Now, I can't really tell from the graph, so I'm definitely going to the table. And for the y-intercept, the x value should be 0. So let's see if I've got that right there. So there's my y-intercept, 0, -12. 0, -12. And then these tail things here aren't too bad to do. So actually, I'll come back and do those in the next video.